The disciples are a perfect example. When Jesus was raising the dead and healing the sick and had a crowd, they're like, we're in. Like, this is mountaintop. This is our Messiah is here. And then what happens when it does go silent? And what they thought was going to happen doesn't. We could say it's even navigating disappointment. When you thought it was going to be one way and it wasn't. And recognizing, but I did what you said, and I will lean into even the silent, lean into the mystery of I trust you above all else. And I'm going to guard that place and that affection in my heart.